Hey everybody, how's it going? Your girl Tatiana here. I'm posting a video of my upcycled cigar box. So we're gonna sit down, we're gonna pack a bowl, and we're about to watch me put together this cigar box and transform it into a jewelry box. This was last year's Christmas gift and I absolutely love it. I'm actually thinking about doing another cigar box gifting. So stick around, pack your bowl, and let's get to it. Cheers. Baby. There's Mr. Grimm. Hi, Mr. Grimm. Hey, say hello. Cheers. Yeah, so I decided to go ahead and start sanding the box. I'm gonna do one box today, paint the outside. I'm not going to paint the top. I will show you what I'm going to do with that later. But for now I'm gonna paint the sides and the bottom black, and the inside I'm not paint, just the top, just because I have some ideas for the bottom. So we will see how it comes out, and then afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and start studying my pretty little jacket over here. Hopefully we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so I don't even got a workstation, I'm just using my ottoman. I put a trash bag down. So again, I'm not painting the top. I did paint the bottom, and I did paint the sides. I'm going to let that dry, and then I will do a second coat, and then I will paint the bottom of the top. For when I open it, it'll be black. Oh my gosh, it's so fucking cute. Right, I totally put fabric in here. This is fabric. I hate this line. I should have ironed it before I did it. Right, it is so cute, but I totally fucked up, guys. So there's a couple of fuck ups. I made this a little bit too large, so it's bending on this side, but it's a good thing that you open it from the side so you don't really see that. And a second big fucking mistake, bro. Oh my god, I'm so frustrated about this. It doesn't close. You see? That right there doesn't allow it to close. I should have stopped it. Right. Yeah, so that cut off, but yes. I was supposed to stop it right here, but it was there. I forgot that I glued this. I sized this before I put this. I put this in and then glued this in. So this stopped on top of this. So that's what gave it the extra height. So I'm pretty happy about that. That one didn't come out as high because there was enough space down here to push it down. But it's so cute. So that's something I'm gonna keep in mind for the next one. Ugh, lift that out. So I'm probably gonna put a mirror here. I'm debating on putting a mirror or some pockets. Maybe some pockets. Okay guys, I'm so excited. So the only thing I have left to do is the dirty pour of paint on top, and then I'm going to use epoxy to seal this in. But I'm kind of debating on if I should do that because this wood goes onto the side. So I don't know if I'll necessarily be able to do that with the epoxy. I might just do the dirty pour and then put like a seal over it, to be quite honest. But I did get it to close now. I'm so excited for that. And check it out, guys. I used a little bit of blue because I'm going to use blue in my sister's, and then some of this one in my sister's, so it's kind of matching. I think it's totally cute. It's not the best because I'm still learning. Oh my god,
gosh, I'm excited. I've got my colors ready. I'm not gonna do too many colors on this one. So I tried to make a gray. I'm probably gonna make it a little bit lighter though. My white, I'm gonna put a little bit of gold and then my black. So not too much black because obviously already black. So we'll see how this is gonna go. Oh my gosh, guys. It was only a little bit of gold and the gold kind of got washed out in certain places. So I wish I could have used some more gold. But doesn't that remind you of like crazy butterfly wings? Like I ran a stick through it because I wasn't as happy with it. But it looks cool. I definitely should have used some more gold. But I really like it. I wanted to use blue, but again, my blue was dry, so tomorrow I shall get some more paints for my next one.